Tukiachana na hayo, huku utata wa matokeo ya mtihani wa taifa wa darasa la 8 ukiendelea, katibu mkuu katika wizara hiyo Daktari Kipsang anatoa mwanga kuhusu suala hilo mbele ya kamati ya elimu bungeni. Tusikilize.
I have received messages from a school called Hospital Hill, some parents, and they have said that they have asked for a remark of the exam for 38 students from Hospital Hill. Is it possible that you can do the remarking?
If we find, as we said, that you are integrating the results for objective and composition, or Kiswahili objective and the Insha, or social studies and religious education, and in the course of that integration, maybe the mark was not captured, then we correct that and we issue the candidate with the correct results. Because remember, all examination boards in the world, including even universities, what you get either as a transcript or a result slip is always provisional until you are issued with a certificate. The rules are very clear that those results are provisional and they are subject to amendment in the event that you discover there was an error that happened anywhere along the way.
There was a candidate whose marks on the constructive area, which is the composition, the girl from Kakamega were 358 marks. When the composition mark, which I think the girl got 38 out of 40, was combined, then it took that girl to the new area. Meaning that there are genuine cases where when we deal with these genuine issues, there is an impact which sometimes, in most cases, it would be a positive impact.
Do you present or allow a service provider to relay results without testing? Because if they had done testing, then they would have known the Excel sheet. Its width, the horizontal dimensions, and therefore not cause this problem.
The Kenyans that SMS research, yes, are not official research. The official research are the ones which are obtained from each and every school. And the SMS platform, therefore, is only meant to provide an ease of access to the research. It does not replace the requirement to obtain the official research from the schools, because again, the very official one is actually the one that is received from the school portal.